nipa wodi animu no kofi fasa private jet bia na wo aban ni you resign.
I'll resign because what
may resign.
What may resign? Why shall I stay there? May resign because the mayor is on principle and yet personal and yet say I may time President Akufo-Addo and as I mean President Akufo-Addo. It's the principle. It's about protecting the public purse.
Hey, Sabra na your education minister na oda olam kwise mo abe resign.
Oh, may resign. I mean, my head, my resigning free appointments committee of parliament.
And the appointment committee, no, say any allowance and more kwana mojeje, and I be wo baby a minimum.
Appointments committee, which is a committee.
A few moments later.
Edu baby ya na medwen ho bebre say NPP na ye support no. Party a Ghana na say other country bi so na yakofa ba Ghana because mentia say MPP for ye bibia. I think say idea MPP far better than NDC for you, but Ghana for who NDC for and say better than NPP for you. I don't understand because say yet to about NPP for now say if you say a better government here, I don't see any better government. Oh, we are NDC for you because you know worse than what NPP did. I know say NPP for almost years since.
Is it dollar never from?
The fact dollar never from no. Fine, above from but how can they sustain it? If they can sustain it, then we will give them the credit. But say almost man sustain next and cost road there. Say above from for 1 month in India but say it impact citizens no so that's what we are vying for. Exactly. And say effect and na ye be hu say oh my dey ba say any effect on them there then say mfaso bia enyi sum. And you heard the way Ghana for say bia me can say Ghana for ye Jimmy and mekoso aka ye Jimmy ya adwen Ghana for ya adwen ye adwuma because say yetimi transe catch us obi dware prim na a whole media house na edit to na ye kan udware prim and the whole president ye net to form titi an so ye na tanta de na obi kotwa video keke na etima FBI ekoni fie kwache no then you me ko Facebook na me hwe amount for comment here.
Oh yeah, Ebeka one sem later.
Me can Americans yasem so. Na me hu say Ghana for tabia me can say Jimmy na ye jinun justify because say ye the vice president if we abruchi ba Ghana. Na mo na mo kan you me kroma me ukuma enya de kwa nka ye politics because ye president ni ye vice president Kroma say president kwa there's no way ne barge ubenya kwan kra kroso police cars ahodo edi animu ne di akire no tare untimi ngina okra ntwa video kra on body ye de ende ye de atoto form na yititia on aduaba bia obedua no enwa na obeti na obedua na enwa na obetwa ni endis for dia ye no enwa na omutwa unze sa ahoma na omu kotwa ase yemfansen Akufo-Addo omo ana omo de sen omo yet Ghana de na mamfanya Akufo-Addo obo wa kra na mudi natem na yenya Jimmy fo bi tse Captain Smart no ko chen radios no wa bi na no gba kasa se ne nyansan ni tim no eno wen ntini okos no omo media houses now omo ye and the vice president kwa na plane 18 million 1 hour $18,000 1 hour.
Now an hour quickly maybe so we $18,000 an hour no pese what US no how easy is it to get $18,000
masa obi betima tren kru nga ye ma 3 months wonya Unya 80 million. Ma mentro obi ka say the voice.
Odifo I've not heard the answer. Me see
Me say
$18,000 no.
obi betuma ye me ye adwuma 1 month a makatu no 18,000.
Yo.
And I know say me
1 hour no. Utimi adwuma 1 month. You drive big trucks on road for hours from one town to the other 1 month. Unya $18,000.
Minya 18,000 no.
Yeah, Mr. Marcus maybe so why.
All right, so busia for jam Mr. Bibia. Me say Honorable Ablakwa, you must resign. You can't tell Honorable Ablakwa to resign today. Because when he was in opposition, he told us, say, na do danko akufado, or use private jet, or jare owiemu, and it's causing financial loss to the country. And then they've asked him, say, what would he do when they come to power and any of the either President John Dramani Mahama or the vice take any private jets and then obey or so obey resigning? Ebusha for money resigning, yes, on resigning. Okudzeto Black, resign your post. This is what you promise us. This is why we voted for your government, because you give us your word. Ebusha for video.
And do the same thing.
NDC
The voice. And Ghana for no ye can I say ye di agro bad sene Mahama Khan maybe say ya adwin wo form tinu ye yare we free ntinu say wo da Ghana ni kakra na ne we free ni hawo no ampa wo ni Ghana for papa and this for MPP for yensu an free NDC. There are things that be American way. There are things that we should learn from them, and we should apply it accordingly with them, because the world museum man sana Ghana for pe. Ghana for democracy and Ghana for anti-democracy. I say Ghana for democracy na ye practice na Ghana na yankasa yentiase. Eti Ghana ni penubuga na why ni say hey not one ni age. Ghana ni enjoy abra ni nwa ho kire no. Ghana for ye enjoy abra ni nwa ho kire no. Di Ghana ni hu say ni nua kwa ho hia ma yes na ni age. Yankasa ho be kire yankasa obeyisi sa na ye pe. Me nka say ye vice president yare de obi enu wa na say wo de ye mbom ma ye ho. No my so kosa no ho yare ni ade. But su dia na mususu ye no imre bi atwam no eno ana yekoso
yo
yet Ghana na ofosu kwache na we ye president Akufo-Addo anya prostate den ne nkwase asem sa ene speaker of parliament ni health condition kwa musumu ntimi enyi nto abonten ni health condition no ene dey private, but ye president ye president ne enye private ohun ya to aba ya man kwasiafo nkra nkwasiafo na abedi Ghana so na omujimi hwe Sam George otimi ka cheze muti abrochi na my slaves o vice president de yare hemva na de ko slaves no omonom ko hwe no abrochi no these are the people but other assassin working senka MPP ni na kan assassin yanke you see say how ababia assassin we nke be kwa kudu. But NDC for no omo no yes chance bia ni mu aso omo chita for nti so omo pen for na pepe omo nyina the same and the cross enti say yeah discerning Ghanaian. I don't think say with this kind of people unless say you be your friend you are just throwing your stomach say who pay be there. Other than that I don't think say NDC your party should I say madrim ma omu because omo kan asem bia asem fun bi ombeka bia ombenye npa mo ma support omo ni omo ye Ghana ne Burkina Faso difference be any wom difference is me I don't see any difference all Ghana and Burkina because ye nam the same route na
yo
now ye team use $180,000 US dollars a day on plane now teacher ni be ye adwuma Ghana obey adwuma the whole year and only $18,000 US dollars now. You're spending 1 hour. Get say almost me boy almost pay staff metro no converting ko dollars ni hu say obi be ye adwuma 1 year no na onya $18,000
there be that or not.
Oh, and still you be justify you be nya teacher ni kwase e be man abetena radio station so I justify we say oh yes one more yon kwantwa nkwa untwa nuru ni this 4 year no say table no sesa omo hwe na omo ankasa me da masse
finally
my return kwase bi sa Muhammad no so return what one na kwase ampanyi yenye ni Ghana na Akufo-Addo or use private jet or the kwa brotina na mo kase na all president no ko nko onfa Basco na enko mutim sana muti Ghana majimi amu hwenya nsana ebia no muntem light off bekum light off bekum sa mu betem sa ko gumi nsa
next time was